Did you know that eating dark chocolate every day can be good for your health? A person eating a piece of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants that can help protect your body against damage from free radicals. A person holding a bar of dark chocolate. It also contains flavanols, which can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. A person drinking hot chocolate. Dark chocolate may even help improve brain function and mood by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. And with so many ways to enjoy it, from snacking on a piece to adding it to your favorite recipes, it's easy to incorporate dark chocolate into your daily diet. So go ahead and indulge in some dark chocolate every day, and enjoy the delicious taste while reaping the health benefits. The health benefits of eating dark chocolate every day.